Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Huawei launched their Mate 40 series. In this video talking about the Mate 40. It brings 6.5-inch OLED triple camera and Kirin 9000E. The Huawei Mate 40 is the entry level model in the Huawei new Mate 40 series, and while it misses a couple of bangs and whistle of pros, it's still a very capable phone. The screen is similar 6.5-inch with a 6.76-inch flatter and well smaller 68-degree curve with 88-degree. It's also slightly less crisp with resolution 2376 by 1080p resolution compared to the 2772 by 1344 pixel on the Mate 40 Pro and the Pro Plus. You will get a 90Hz refresh rate, 240Hz touch sampling, and most importantly, it's still OLED. The triple camera setup on the rear is more conventional. On the no periscope, the Mate 40 still has a 50 megapixel f1.9 shooter with the largest sensor currently on the market from its more expensive counterparts, but come with a tuned down 16 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide unit and 8 megapixel f2.43x optical zoom. The Kirin 9000 chipset is also a step below with the Mate 40 Pro offers. The Mate 40 has the same octa-core CPU but 22-core GPU to the regular Kirin 9000 24-core and NPU with a single big core to 9000 dual big core RAM top-ups 8 GB and not the 12 GB RAM reversed for the Pro. The final a big difference are the battery and charging. The Mate 40 get a smaller 4200 mAh power pack with a slower 40-watt wire charging and no wireless charging either. Huawei did not reveal when we can expect the Mate 40 to hit store, but it will cost Euro 899 with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. This is the Huawei Mate 40 non-pro plus version, the Huawei Mate 40, but still this phone is really amazing with the camera and other specifications. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new non-pro plus Huawei Mate 40, and also like the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.